One person, he don't die for Douala here, for Sika plenty rainway fall overnight for that side, so for BP City, corner people them. Rainway before for that side, where it fall for Douala and for all corner. It don't make plenty people them, they hear about. This afternoon, we go concentrate some for inside that rainway it fall. For Sika some small problem, we no go surely bring on the other side for the rain and the house away chakadam. But for this afternoon, Sabi say treasury for Aqua is suffer for Sika rain. Now so too some people then too they be get wound for Sika the rain as we are talk. One person he don't die, Pikin is also defined. Library says rain he enter for inside. Chapter 240 we go talk on this afternoon plus Easter Sunday where it be passed. Yesterday we go turn back for Tombell for Catholic Church and for Presbyterian for C as we then says they be glad their big day. Newspaper them says they get their own story for talk for him this afternoon. Big part talk, it talks everything. Say no matter how way you turn your skin up or down, your backside, it goes also remain for side way Papa God he make am. I say no matter how way you turn your skin, your backside, it goes also remain now for the place where Papa God he leave am. Now our Mengi PRO for University for Boyam is send with big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Na tori time for Equinox Tori House. First thing we go talk na chapter for accident. Yes, make we take una go for kilometre seng. Now for inside Douala yem, where some motor sesep a license, a craze, enter na for inside who side, enter for inside place where they so normal. Small so comot if you see another training road that na training road that the passway driver sesep where according to tori where they tell him drive by per place he na train to that way be the job pass for corner as so that accident it happen just for see say if this accident will happen we train to if for the camp for that side so for kilometres same for this same time if for being na some purple helele for here na say people they don't die but tori wey people them for that side where the accident happen they talk for him they try for talk for we say waiting say this accident na driver say he make the accident wey he pass na for sika waiting they say driver he no sabi as way he dey drive fine so a traffic e be dey as so na the see and so na people then that Okada people they say they be one wakam plus the heavy rainway for this morning time all people they get for turn up wait so they check as well they will make a see motor they line up na motor that way it don't make accident so for those no accident so who side driver they say driver e be then a person way e be so they learn how for drive way e be enter for the motor lucky say this accident e pass way train sesep e no be don start am for sika say if train for the cam as well the cam now we for here na different tori for inside Douala here this early morning time. So now the thing that way pass for kilometers saying for Douala side here. Make we hear some power, it tell we for short. Who caused that thing for be as we dey?
Anyway, na community event, you know they look at Douala.
So now who come up, how do you know to run open up gas?
The driver, self. A driver.
From which one?
Yes, you don't know. Because it go for ride.
Yes, so that one na chapter for waiting accident. I talk for na say rain wey e fall for inside Douala here today. Confusion. Na big head officers for Douala one for place where they keep money call the people them rain e show them pepper. Na in that roof e comot for up tray for ground. Na in that na the first part is sabi say the rain wey before only the breeze wey e come with am. One e cause big trouble. Rain e no fit ever fall for Douala wey you know here say day one e don pass, day one e never pass. Na for Aqua say that for inside here wey we dey sef. Na for place wey dey take money see Cameroon flag as well e just mean e just turn the man for up there. You see no? Na Cameroon flag that. Then for up roof e don comot. Na inside hazard inside the workplaces where they pay money. That man mean e take Iraq e start the comot the water. That one e no worry dem say make work e no start as well they finish clean water con the people as well they finish clean water one time they start work dem e no worry dem at all even as well roof e don comot, dem dey get small suffer for the roof wey e comot. I say dey get small suffer. Part 2 for the tori na say wetin? They say e dey open. E dey open. They say no matter how wey the thing happen, e dey open. Man, I think make we go for up the house. Make we go for up for the treasury house for Akwaye. Now for up with the big man sesep e dey stay. Yes, more go for up na big man he has this. Na big man for the place e hear bad. E dey see no? A house, roof for house, as well that rain e carry all thing chapie comot. Na water. I say na water flow for inside house. Total water. Now all man, whether na big or na small pikin, he must to sweep water, he must to dry clean, he must to comot the water for inside. See am. Na small wuri e dey for inside my house. For sicker rain wey e fall for night. See ceiling. You dey see am no? Ceiling don soft. For sicker say roof e no dey for up. Yes, roof e no dey for up. For sicker that one. Rain e don move all thing, e move all for game. You dey see am no? You see am say na that. They dey see air, they dey see sky one time. Water e tumbusa one time for inside. So water e don enter for inside big man for treasury for Akwa house. See bed don already finish wet or they don comot the mattress. You dey see am no? Na only for sicker rain. See the way that breeze e do am. Breeze e show people dem pepper. Na inside Akwaye con the people. Na inside bathroom that place where they dey wash. All thing e comot for inside Akwaye for the same place for treasury. You understand? Now for the nice, now the big man in own room this, the big man in own room says all thing inside there. Water don't touch am. All thing, see ceiling, all thing. See am like that. You see am? Just imagine say you sleep, then water just dey throw for your skin. E dey like say na Papa God don vex with you now. Like that. E just fall on top my skin direct. You dey see am? So now the thing that. Na thing that way rain e do am for inside Akwa. He said he don't wet my skin up. Man dey sleep, man na dey sleep so fine sleep. Then water just dey throw for your skin. You do wetin? Where you dey just dey sleep so you dey sleep fine, you dey dream so your fine dream say they don give so your 2 million for some side. Then you wan just hear na some cold water dey touch you. Hey! Na the man this na suffer the way people dey suffer today for overnight. Man dey just enjoy a fine sleep. You wan just see na water start throw away onto your skin, throw onto your skin like say that some person don give punishment. If they give casting go see am, see how the place open. Did you see am? Water just dey enter for your skin direct current. So now chapter 1 that for suffer for rain overnight for inside Wala here for Akwa. Bepe cité to a year bad. Na man in library this place where they dey sell book, place where they dey sell pencil, place where they dey sell small kind thing for school. You understand? That rain e no give sorry heart at all. Man e be net e money all, e don go. I say man e be net all, e don go. See how where they don pack book them for inside bag motor. You dey see am? They don pack book them for inside bag motor. People they just turn up so they dey look place. They say who can a ballock rain this? Who can a ballock rain this? Con the people them. Yeah? See book the way they don't spoil, pencil the way they don't spoil. See my library for Bepe City. See how way the rain it cause confusion. Some house where they build for corner. Now for the way roof it come up, wow, glootum. Now I don't also we sorry for secret we no go fit for showing that image of that house. But for morning time we go prepare that image. Now the house are there on backside. See how way it don't disturb people their business. I say it don't make people they cry. Plenty people there they don't cry. For sicker the rain way e fall for inside the Wala here. You dey see am? You see am? People they also pack their cargo them. Pack their cargo them. Now so Binet don't finish. Binet e don't finish. More here one of the pardon. Yes. Now big brother for person where he get the library. The man says all thing do he. If we for talk for you for surely cry. All thing wet. You see no all thing no nothing no come out for the all thing no wet. It say all thing zinc e come out. All they don't tire. Rim for paper. All thing is spoil. Man a come back for this side. More here big brother for power he get that place. He talk for we.
For the night, you don't make our house. People when they see them. Run for all couple, not only Buhari.
When I don't know what you
Plenty money, if you go to 4 million.
They say what
na papeterie, primary school, secondary school, university school, all things. But you see, motor don't stop. Motor don't stop. You don't know how we do.
So now the thing that will happen, as I talk for seekers on small kind mistake when machine say this or create one time, we no go fit for bring the image for house wey that's also rain e cause a chakara where you don't kill one person now, and the house wey cause all that confusion for BP City. But for morning time, we go come with that image. Now the one way they prepare na the people the way they dey for hospital. May we take una go for Protestant hospital for that side for BP City. Now for inside this hospital con the people. Now for them where people the way they don't get wound, they did them two where they get big wound. I mean two. One na big man, another one na small pikin. Yes. Now inside the hospital where they don't bring that two people the way that rain it make them. You see the motor no? Na motor where they carry man where you over get plenty wound in the come outside. And na the man wey big commander for research, he don't tell we say the man don already finish die. Na the small pikin that wey that rain too is also cause problem. Na that. Na the small pikin that. You dey see am? Na the small pikin that wey dey inside drip. They say the big man don already die. As soon as they carry am for taxi so they go for Lakentini. They say the one reach for hospital you don't die. Na mami for pikin than that. Na the two people that way dey so that rain for yesterday e cause confusion. Wey e make the finish. See, small pikin, innocent pikin. E be the sleep too. One for house comot collapse. E craze fall for on top their skin. You see am? Small pikin. So for palava for the rain call the people. I say so for palava for the rain. So na big asha for people then for that side for BP City and this family. Family where one person don already die for day. We dey talk asha. Una understand? We dey talk asha. But the one, according to confirmed story, wey commandant for that side so for where they call and say gendarmerie research, where they call and say Oga Betty Dominique. He says he don't just yarn me say they so one man don't die. The big man with the one carry and go for Lakentini. So for Sika chapter for rain, he don't die. So na big asha. So the rain, he don't kill one person overnight. Tomorrow we'll come back for that image for that house. Where they build and where it cause confusion. Then the other chakara, the way they rain a chakara. We now see other one. I'll count them tomorrow. Now we go take una go for half mile for Limbe. The one that will be the happen. So we take them the way we be the take and the one me say ambassador say be there for ground. Now Tifma where they did not cancel for filling station. Place where they did put fuel. They knock that my hole now only that thing say in no go move your hand. They did knock it. He don't go thief. Then they pick it for inside place where they put oil. Nakam. He say he no go leave that place. Now people they realize say na place where they put oil. Some person can't put fire now so the place is start cash. They will toss waiting. Na thief man that. Where you don't go thief for half my day. Cash and knock and sote. Last. They say na police people them. They can't carry. Yes. Now police people they can't carry. If police people know for calm, population for half man they don't prepare. Say they go finish with you one time. But lucky for you. Lucky. Say police they can't carry come out. That one we finish for that side. Make we enter now so for chapter for Easter Sunday. For that side for Presbyterian Church for Tombe. Una dey see no police people they be there for gate. Any man wey dey enter na trouble. And it be there na special one. For Sika say Presbyterian Church for that side for Tombe, it be decide for give dash. For people the way they don't run for different villages or Sika this chapter for Northwest and Southwest. So they begin dash for the people that they don't get their own for chop. So it be then at their own big Easter. Pastor says Ejakwe Joseph, where he says they like a Ogak Patapata. Now he says be look all the one them. So inside Easter Sunday, it be then a day for give so sorry heart. For mommy them picking the way they don't run different village different place they come for inside Tombe. But Sabi say the same prayer where they pray for outside. Now say make peace. Make this palava for Northwest and Southwest. Make medicine in the way they go drink and so that it finish. Now they pray than that. Where they do am for all the church. But the two will be passed for this side and say all the mami there they don't come out for different village. They don't picking there they come out different village. where they run now for Sika Palava for Norwest and Southwest, pastor them for that side, they say make they give them small chop. As well Jesus the jar up for die, make the show sorry how to for people the way they no get. So now one of the main thing that for inside Easter Sunday for Presbyterian Church for that side, so for Tombe. Jackie no Molom, if you fair talk with these people them, where they give them dash, make we hear them.
For be a beneficiary for this gift, and at the beg say, and not even this denomination, the other denomination, then take this example, then copy I be a Baptist, but I be very happy to say I be a beneficiary. So make them do the copy this example, make them do as God want them.
As they do and so, we thank God when they do all the work. As other people, they never do as so, but now we don't see them. Now the church is work and no problem.
And now, pastor for inside Presbyterian Church for side for Tombel, after church for Easter, waiting pastor, Reverend Pastor Ejakwe Joseph, again for talk, on a year.
This wonderful day, say Jesus Christ, he don't come out from grave. And so any marriage for any situation, make it believe for God, and that power it will move it also from that or from any sickness. Any religion where you no get concern for people and their economic condition where they strangle them, now dead and useless religion. And so that is why we see, say we will be strong, we will celebrate. We must put a hand, a smile on the faces of those who they suffer. Plenty they don't lose their houses. Plenty they don't do what they don't get married, they help them. And so that is why we buy this food stuff, all these things them, for support them, for say make church, it give them a smile for their faces.
So, that one na Presbyterian Church for Tombel, make we take una go for corner for Catholic Church itself. It be then a big prayer too, where it be passed to for Catholic Church for that side so for Tombel, but sabi say one for the two way be did the same way, like that one for Presbyterian Church, now police people them, where they turn up for all corner, all money eye, it be the shine for check any man way, it no turn up fine. Inside the church itself, Father, it be prayer not so for chapter, for say make peace, it turn back, Diocesef, Oga Yam, Leona, it be day to for church, as we pastor them, and Father, they be glad, with a church people them, as we Jesus, it don't jar up. And Sabi say this jar up with Jesus, it jar up for die, now for say make people they continue for glad, and for prayer to say make peace, it last turn back, for inside, northwest and southwest, for Sika this big palava where they don't meet up since the past 2 years. So now the main prayer than that where all people them, pastor and reverend father for inside Tom beside the Catholic Church and Presbyterian Church, the prayer say make things them, they work a fine for all people them. After that one, it be then a blessing and even baptism, all thing it work a fine for Catholic Church for that side for Tombe. Make we hear Father for inside Catholic Church, it tell we waiting where Easter amen.
The feast of the resurrection for Jesus Christ, it been a feast where it pass all other feasts. He say every Christian too, it get hope. Say as how if he die, it will get for die with Jesus Christ. And as Jesus Christ, he died, he get for die. If he invite me and you to say with him, make we kill our own self. Our old self, the bad habit then we will get them, we will kill them, and miss all the trouble then where they go through. Say, make no man enough fear. Make no man enough fear because Jesus Christ, if he will help him, he will support me for every struggle, all the suffer we will go through. Jesus Christ, if he come with peace, if he come with good light, make people the way them they suffer, make them not cry because Jesus Christ is there with them.
Yes, so now Father that for inside Catholic Church for Tombel, Diocesef, Jacques Mulom, et be meet with Dio, e try for ask DO waiting and why wey dey put some kind of commandeer say make population respect why wey dey put am on. Oga Nyam Leona wey na DO for inside Tombe, e be talk to for Jackie Nomolo in microphone.
Opportunity for wish happy Easter for all people in Tombe subdivision, and I wanted them say the measure we will take on for make sure say all activities end for 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Now for make sure say it's better to prevent than to cure. And I think I want to seize this opportunity for wish them happy Easter, and then I encourage them for the follow-up of this measure where they don't do them because they actually respect all things we don't talk.
Yes, now Gadio that chef there for inside Tombel subdivision, sabi say dena for under Kupe Maninguba division. So now the tori then that for now for this afternoon. Tomorrow we go turn back again for some time with other better tori. There might be promise on an image for airport. I go show another image for some time. Make no man no shake. See as on an airport the leak for place where they put cargo them and even other small thing them bafia people them light to they transformer don't fall for down. For morning time I go turn back with other image them as we a condo TTSF with the here say they don't get new mayor after with their first mayor died, they don't vote new mayor. All that one then so we go bring them for some time tomorrow. Now so make we enter for Toriwe newspaper then SESEP the talk first one we go enter now for inside the median con the people them. The median way dey for outside today. He talk na this chapter for Waka for Atanganji where he go for go make peace with the people them for Southwest. According to the median, they tell say Atanganji they give correct come good for inside Southwest. Sabi says also for inside the median for Sika chapter for Northwest and Southwest. They tell we say Queen Elisa a country where they call and say na United Kingdom, France for Emmanuel Macron and Donald Trump a country where na USA. All them they don't talk say make their country people them they no try make Waka go for Southern Cameroon where mean say na Northwest and as Southwest for Sika the two sabi say the pass for them. So for inside the median if you read some tori where it concern Agbobala where African Bar Association they don't put it again for up as well they give some big chair for she done like some big man for Palava for law and Palava for human rights. Other tori the day with the median a carry on today. Make we enter now so for inside another tori wey dey for outside the advocate newspaper where it dey for outside for this some time. It gets its own tori for tell we calling people them. Inside the advocate they try for tell we say wetin say Palava vote for get new senator them for inside country. They say SDF it talk say big pacha don't happen for Sika that one. According to the advocates they don't send plenty complain them for Yawende. So for inside the advocate you go read tori where it concern Palava Biswan Bank their chief as way 47-year-old man where they call and say 47-year-old man he don't take chair after the other person Chief Tambe Ayuk he go for Waka. Other tori the day for the advocate where you feel read them. We go enter now so for the Sun newspaper where they for outside calling people them. The Sun newspaper it gets its own chapter 2 for Terry for this afternoon. The Sun it turn back for Waka for Atanganji for Northwest, for Southwest. Waiting it talk they try for Terry say waiting Atanganji it don't send a peace plan for people them where they fight under Amber people they say make they turn back. Now so too it talks say make all them they try for keep their gun them for down turn back as way prodigal son Pikin it be do am for inside Bible. Inside the Sun too chapter for Northwest and Southwest day as well they tell we say waiting after way France it talk United Kingdom say they be the last people then too they don't talk say make their country people them they no try work go for Northwest or Southwest. The Sun too it talk chapter for a complaint where SDF they don't write them put them for inside Constitutional Council for Sika vote way it pass for Senate say plenty pacha ebidede CPD and SSF it the struggle for say make they get even one chair like Senate inside that side so for Bamenda. Make we enter now so for another newspaper calling people them other newspaper the guidance post where it dey for outside. The guidance post e get its own tori for talk. Inside the guidance post wey dey for outside for this morning time, they tell you say wetin Professor Kale e don open all the lie dem wey Oga Atanganji talk after we Senate vote e be pass. According to the guidance post, they dey try for tell we too say people the way they be catch Ginicom SDF dem councillor they don levy after we dey pay dem some small money. E mean say they levy am for loan. Inside the same tori for the guidance post, you go read someone wey dey tell say big man for Muslim people dem inside Douala here. E don talk say that 33 million wey all people there they want turn up for vote for election they get for pay am like caution. If you pay am for Nkunkuma, who do that kind of talk? You fit enter for the guidance post, you go read that story. Plus as we Kondengi prison people them, they beg say wetin make Papa God e come change their life. The Star newspaper says e dey for outside today. The Star newspaper e dey talk say wetin e turn back for this big prayer wey e pass for inside Gata for Kondengi. As so wetin all that people there they catch them where they don't give them casting gold. They the prayer now say make Papa God he get sorry heart. He touch people then too for year. Make they check as well they go left then they come up for inside Kondengi. So it be in a prayer for beg for Papa God to make it show sorry heart. So for inside the Star newspaper, you feel read tori wey concern SDF and Palava vote for senator where they talk say SDF they don't write so they 5 complain where mean say come on for 5 different region them for the chapter for vote for get new senator inside. Other tori the day where the Star newspaper e carry am wey e concern even Palava minister for money Oga Mutaze wey say e photo dey for day. The post e dey too for outside. Con the people them the post wey dey for outside for this same time e get e own tori for Terry as well. According to the post, e say Kamamburu people them enter for hospital carry sick man carry go for side no man e no sabi side wey dey take and go. According to wetin wey the post e talk for we. So for inside the same post, according to wetin we hear, Apostle Suleiman una sabi that man for God. He don't talk say make anglophone people them fast plenty for say make this fight wey dey happen now so make it stop. Mancho BBC says e dey try for talk say wetin they say make the judge Mancho BBC for Bamenda. That one na the lawyer wey dey e turn up on top the case for Mancho BBC. E talk am for the last day wey Mancho BBC e be come up for outside. For Chief they say according to the post they don't report Fonbi Imukete for their big man wey na who them they call na Atanganji as we e be waka go for Southwest. Other tori the day where the post where e dey for outside e carry am. Con the people them last story we go look for inside this same time na the Eden. Con the people them waiting there for on top the Eden where e dey for outside today. Eden newspaper e get e own tori for Terry. E dey tell we say waiting Atanganji says e own kind magu wey dey make I understand. E don't use am for enter for talk say make peace. E turn back for Southwest. Yes, they say Atanganji e own kind control kind thing. They understand. So now the thing that way Atanganji don't take enter for inside Southwest for talk say make peace. E enter for inside Southwest. So for inside the Eden you go read tori where e concern Queen Elisa country where don't talk say make e country people them they no just try enter moto go for any of the anglophone place them Northwest or Southwest. You feel read tori too where e talk say SDF e dey talk say wetin say make all results vote for Senate where e happen for Southwest make the only council am. Eden e get other strong number them na for enter for this. So con the people them I don't promise una say for some time when I go come back we go show una house wey cause people then hear bad for that side wey they call am say BP City. Then even Bafia transformer don't die, people they no get light. All that one then so plus airport as well water the throwaway. We go come back with them for some time. We want to say big thank you for all now one she done. Sabi say Tori go continue for inside Equinox Tori House 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock for Queen Elisa Country Talk, 8 o'clock for Emmanuel McCoy Country Talk. Make una hold am tight.